Welcome back. It appears the meme stock frenzy is back with a vengeance. Shares of GameStop soared more than 70% yesterday after one of the investors at the center of the craze, which took off back in 2021, resurfaced online.
Yeah, but like in just kind of a chill way, and yet this still happened. It's the first time Roaring Kitty, also known as Keith Gill, that's his real name, had posted in 3 years. This is what he posted. It was a meme on X, this simple drawing of a gamer leaning forward in a chair, and it sent investors reeling.
All right, we're going to dive into all this with editor-in-chief of Investopedia and friend of the show, Caleb Silver. Caleb, good morning. All right, so at one point, the stock surged as much as 110% during yesterday's session. Trading even had to be stopped a few times because of it. What should we make of all this? Because I find this a little scary that this can happen with one picture like that.
Yeah, I think investors who are piling into these stocks are a little delulu themselves right now, because all it took was that tweet from Keith Gill plus a little follow-up Ferris Bueller movie clip. But this is a bunch of retail investors who were so excited back in 2021 to get into stocks that Wall Street, a lot of companies had been shorting, betting against. They see that these big hedge funds are betting against these stocks, so they've been piling into these stocks, both buying the stock and buying the options. GameStop this morning up another 134% pre-market. It's going to be another wild ride today.
And it wasn't just GameStop. AMC, the movie theater chain, up 75%. Reddit also traded a little higher. Are we in for another full-blown meme stock frenzy, or is there a Salulu?
Yeah. Very nice. I would say this is a squall, but a pretty intense squall, because we haven't heard from Keith Gill, a.k.a. Roaring Kitty, or a lot of the traders that used to hang around Wall Street bets for 3 years right now. Keith Gill hadn't tweeted since 2021. Now that they're back, they're targeting these stocks that were some of the favorites back in 2021, again, that hedge funds were shorting to try to bid the stock prices up and make these hedge funds lose a lot of money. And you can make a lot of money trading these if you're super smart and you time it right. Most people lose money. And don't forget the fact that while GameStop shot up yesterday and it's probably going to go up again today, the stock is down 65% from its highs in 2021. This is not about the health of the company. This is about an emotional pile-on into some of these stocks that is a lot of fun to watch, but super scary if you're trying to trade it.
Okay, honestly, gold stars for both of you. Like, those were just really chef's kiss on those uses there. I loved it. Caleb, you just mentioned it's not about the health of the company. It's this emotional rally. Take us back. Remind us, 3 years ago, what exactly happened, how, and why?
Yeah, well, that was the pandemic, right? So many of these companies, especially at GameStop, which sat inside malls, people had to go and buy games back in the day. A lot of hedge funds were shorting these stocks, betting against them, betting that they would fall. Well, Keith Gill, Roaring Kitty, and a lot of other individual traders who had nothing better to do because we were stuck at home started piling into these stocks and buying them to bid the share price up and make who's ever shorting the stock pay 3 times the money that they had borrowed to short the stocks and punish these hedge funds. He put a couple of hedge funds out of business in the process. So that was what started it back then. Well, we're out of the pandemic. We have online gaming. People can go out to a baseball game now. So there's a lot less people trading. Retail trading activity is 5% lower than it was back then. So don't expect this to turn into a huge forest fire, but it is fun to watch, but very scary if you're trying to trade it.
Well, we've already had a movie about it, in fact. So for the average investor, someone who may be looking at this and saying, hey, I can make some quick money, what's your advice? What's the questions they should be asking?
Well, the questions they should be asking is, how long is this going to last? And if you want to try to buy this stock now, you better put a price target on when you're going to get out, because when they fall fast. The harder they come, the harder they fall with these meme stocks. So if you're going to trade it, do it with just a teeny part of your portfolio and pick the number where you need to get out and pick the number at the bottom, the stop out where you can't take the loss anymore. That's the only way to do it. For the rest of us, just stand there and watch in amusement as Roaring Kitty roars and the Delulus get back into the party.
All right. Caleb Silver, as always, especially this morning.
That was fabulous. Thank you for that laugh.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.